Pioneers, I've got some bad news. Pi Network is not what it seems. Mainnet delays, KYC nightmares, and a price crash are rocking the Pi community. In this video, I'm exposing the truth behind Pi Network struggles and revealing what you need to know to protect your investment. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your source for hard-hitting crypto analysis. I'm your host, Goldrush, and today we're going undercover to investigate the troubling state of Pi Network. We've got two critical articles to dissect, packed with alarming information and my own unfiltered opinions. So grab your detective hats, pioneers, and let's get this gold rush started. All right, let's start with this eye-opening article from Bankless Times. The headline asks, will the Pi Network mainnet launch really happen in Q1 2025? After reading this article, I'm starting to think the answer is a resounding no. The Pi Network IOU price remained on edge as the odds of the mainnet launch dropped sharply following a recent update. PiCoin was trading at $56.80 on Monday morning, down by almost 50% from its highest level last month. 50%? That's a massive drop. And it's no surprise considering the constant delays and broken promises from Pi Network. Pioneers are losing faith, and the price is reflecting that. 2014, the network pioneers were disappointed a lot after the developers published the roadmap for the open network launch. In a social media post that linked to a long statement on the website, the developers noted that they were extending the KYC verification process again. 3 months after the initial deadline, the KYC will now end on January 31st. Another KYC extension? Seriously? This is getting beyond a joke. It's like they're intentionally trying to prevent people from verifying their accounts. The developers justified the delay because of the recent numbers. They noted that while over 18 million users had concluded the KYC process, only 8 million had migrated their coins to the mainnet. The 8 million figure is much lower than the target of 10 million. So they're blaming the pioneers now, saying that not enough people have migrated their coins. That's ridiculous. It's their responsibility to make the migration process simple and accessible. This is just another excuse to delay the launch. And at the same time, the odds of the mainnet launch happening in the first quarter fell after they revealed that there were just 80 mainnet-ready apps in the Pi ecosystem. One top pre-mainnet listing condition is having at least one app. As such, the chances of having another 20 apps in the network by March are relatively low. 80 apps. That's pathetic. A successful blockchain needs a thriving ecosystem of applications. Pi Network is nowhere near ready for a mainnet launch. The other potential risk is the ongoing crypto crash that has seen Bitcoin and other altcoin prices fall by double digits. The third precondition for the mainnet launch to happen is for the external environment to be friendly. By this, the developers meant external issues like regulations and crypto prices. Oh, so now it's the crypto crash's fault? Give me a break. A truly revolutionary project wouldn't be scared of a little market volatility. This is just another smokescreen to hide their incompetence. Are you starting to see the truth about Pi Network? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Pi Network investigations and crypto analysis. Now, let's move on to this article from Hoka News titled "The Future of Pi's Price: How Limited Supply and Market Participation Could Drive Growth." While this article tries to paint a rosy picture of Pi's future, I'm not convinced. Out of the most significant factors influencing the price of Pi Network is the limited circulating supply. This issue stems from several causes, including forgotten passphrases, inactive accounts, and a general lack of awareness among users about how to engage in the market. This is a valid point. Pi Network has done a terrible job of educating its users about wallet security and market participation. But is that really the main reason for the limited supply? Or is there something more sinister going on? Despite the challenges of limited supply, demand for Pi continues to grow as the network expands and gains more adoption. As more users join Pi Network and recognize its potential, the desire to engage with the network's ecosystem increases. Sure, the demand is growing, but what is there to actually do with Pi? There are hardly any apps, the mainnet is delayed indefinitely, and the price is crashing. Why would anyone want to engage with this ecosystem? The growing demand, paired with a limited supply of Pi, creates upward pressure on its price. In theory, the more Pi is adopted and the more it is integrated into everyday transactions and uses, the greater the potential for its value to rise. This is pure speculation. There's no guarantee that Pi will ever be adopted for everyday transactions. And with all the red flags surrounding this project, I wouldn't bet on it. For Pi's price to reach its true potential, education plays a pivotal role. Users need to be aware of the importance of securing their wallets and credentials to ensure that their Pi is not lost forever. Pioneers, this is a crucial point. If you're still holding on to Pi, make sure you understand how to secure your wallet, because if Pi Network implodes, you could lose everything. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is Pi Network a scam? I'm not going to say definitively yes, but I am saying that there are a lot of red flags here. The constant delays, the lack of transparency, the broken promises, it all adds up to a very suspicious picture. Look at this comparison. Other successful blockchain projects have clear roadmaps, transparent development processes, and thriving ecosystems. Money is flowing. Pi Network has none of those things. It's all hype and no substance. What if Pi Network is just a giant data harvesting scheme? What if they're collecting our personal information and selling it to the highest bidder? What if they're planning a massive rug pull once the mainnet finally launches? These are uncomfortable questions, but we need to ask them. Pioneers, I urge you to be careful. Don't invest more time or money into Pi Network than you can afford to lose. And be prepared for the possibility that this whole project could collapse. It's time to wake up, pioneers. Don't be fooled by the hype and empty promises. Do your own research, protect your investment, and spread the word about the truth behind Pi Network. Thanks for watching, Gold Rushers. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and don't let anyone steal your digital gold. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions.